Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to add some agent checks on this test SysOrb server, and also I'll show you how to create a node class. Node class is simply kind of templates that you can use for other servers as well. Now, as we saw in the previous tutorial, this server has already been assigned to different node classes. Here we can see that one of them is the Microsoft Windows node class, and also the SysOrb server has defined the server as a Microsoft Windows 2003 server. Now I'll start creating my template. Go to operating system, and I see the different kind of operating system that SysOrb supports. I choose the overall Microsoft Windows. I choose edit. Now I see that one node is assigned to this node class. I use this node as a host to create my node class. Here I see all the checks that the agent can see down on the server. In each folder you will see different checks. Now, as I just want to create a simple template for my Windows server, I think I'll start adding some monitoring of the free disk space. I choose all entries, choose add, and here I can set my threshold, and I think I'll set it should only when below 10% and alert me when below 5%. Now I can just press OK to this, and I can continue setting up checks for my template. Also, I would like to monitor some free memory. Here I just add the checks. I can always go back later and set my thresholds. Also, here you see the performance counters from Windows. Here I have all the performance counters from Windows. Of course, this folder will depend on which application is installed on the server. But now I would like to monitor some processor time, and I choose all entries. So I monitor all the processors in the server. Choose add. Just want to show you here, you see all the processes running on the server. If I wanted to monitor a single process, I could just add the check. And all the services running, you see them here. Now I would like to monitor some system information. System uptime as well. That's it. Now I've just fast created a simple template for my Windows servers. Let me see what checks I have active on this template now. That looks fine for now. I'll go and see how it looks. Now this question mark means that the checks are rolling out on the server. Let us see, it's almost finished. Let me check. Now here I see all the checks has been rolled out on the server, and the agent is monitoring the server and reporting back to the SysOrb server. Let me check my free space. Here I see it's fine, and here I see my thresholds, and here I can choose the period. So in 1 year I can go back in time and see how the free disk space has developed over time. So I think all the 8 checks I've set up has been rolled out. Now you see down here is idle CPU time. And system uptime. That's it. I have some basic monitoring on the server. And now also I have in the system, I have my Windows node class and I have my pingable node class. Now let me show you how easy it is to set up a new server once you created the node classes. I'll log into the server. I will install a SysOrb agent here. I have the SysOrb agent already here, so I just run it. Click next. Next. Just choose next. Yep, it found my server, and I think I'll just give it the DNS name. Just check. That's it. I've installed the SysOrb server on this, the SysOrb agent on this server. I jump back to my web interface in SysOrb, and I'll wait. And I'll choose configure and see that a check-in from an unknown agent has occurred, and it's my agent is checking in. So I accept it, press OK. And OK, and now just wait for the agent to check in. That's it, the agent has checked in. Now I just need to assign this server to the node classes that I just created. Choose configure, and I just do auto assign again. SysOrb will scan the server and see what's on it. Let's see. Yep. Now SysOrb has assigned it to the pingable node, and also it assigned it to the Microsoft Windows node class, and it defined it as a Windows XP. Now we'll see that SysOrb is rolling out the checks that I just set up before in the two node classes pingable node and also in the node class Windows. We see now we have all the checks already on the server, which I just set up before. And that's it. So now I can just continue adding agents to my servers and start monitoring my servers. And if I want to make changes to the node classes, I can just go in here and edit. And now I see two nodes assigned to this node class. And if I want to do some changes or add some extra checks, I can do it in here. Now in a later tutorial I'll show you how to add agent actions and also how to add custom agent checks. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.